Hey Sparrows, just a quick question. When you fly, do you fly with your lockpicks?
Yes, I do fly with my lockpicks, and according to TSA regulations, any tool under 7 inches in length is permitted in your carry-on. Just ensure you're aware of local laws regarding the carry of lockpicks, and be aware that TSA officers have the final decision regarding what is permitted through a checkpoint, but I always fly with my lockpick set, and I've never had a problem. Take a look in the description below, and you'll see a link to TSA regulations.